upma, we have to add 300 grams semolina, now add half teaspoon ghee or oil in the rava and roast it well on a medium flame. So friends, by the time the rava is being roasted on medium flame, we'll do the tempering. So friends, for tempering, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil and mustard seeds. Now you have to add 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds and then 2 whole dried red chillies and few leaves of curry leaves. Fry it until it is done. So friends, you can see that the mustard seeds are making crackling sound. So now we have to add onion. 2 full chopped slices of onion. Sorry friends, it's only 1 onion. Finely chopped. Cook them until it is translucent. Friends, until when the onions become translucent, add 1/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Cook it well until the rawness of the ginger garlic paste is gone. Now you have to add carrot. I have taken a small portion of carrot and chopped it. And then add 2 full green chillies chopped and then now saute it well. Now add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. And saute it. Now add 1 teaspoon salt and saute it well. After sauteing, cover this vessel with a lid until the tomatoes become soft and oil separates. So friends, now let's see our semolina or rava, whether it is done or no. So it is almost done. So now I'm going to switch off the stove and let it cool down. The color of the semolina has changed into light brown. So friends, you can add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric to give upma a nice color. So friends, now you have to add 2.5 cups water or 700 ml. So friends, let the mixture boil and then we will be adding roasted rava in parts in this mixture. So friends, I have tasted the water. It is not very salty. So I am adding little one pinch of salt in it to make it little more salty. So friends, I am going to add this rava in small quantities in the mixture and mix it. By adding rava, the upma is becoming thicker. So friends, you have to mix this rava continuously upma, because if you don't mix it, lumps will be forming in it, and that's why mixing is very important so that lumps are not formed. After mixing, cover the vessel with a lid and keep it on a low flame and check it after 2 to 3 minutes. Friends, add coriander leaves on top of it. And cover it. So friends, I feel that the upma is done. So we'll just check. Okay, so friends, it is done because there is no water inside. See this? There's no water inside. It's very soft. So now you can remove it in a small bowl and then remove it in a plate so that it gives a nice shape to the upma. So let's do it. So it is done. Now I will remove it in a plate. So friends, now I am going to remove this upma in a plate. Keep this plate over this and then make it upside down. So your delicious upma is ready. Now you can serve it with pickle on this side. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Thanks for watching.